This video will take a look at tasks with dependencies and how they appear in the vendor portal. Tasks that have dependencies will all show in the vendor portal, but only the first task will be accessible. The others will display with a broken chain icon in the top left corner, but cannot be completed until after the first task has been completed. After the last task is completed, the housekeeping status will be updated if the last task is configured to do so. In our example, the tasks Hot Tub Clean, Departure Clean 2, and Inspection are all tied together. Hot Tub Clean and Inspection are assigned to the same vendor, Megan's Cleaning, and the third task, the Departure Clean, is assigned to a different vendor, Michelle's Cleaning. When Megan's Cleaning logs into the vendor portal, they will only be able to see the two tasks that are currently assigned to them. Likewise, when Michelle logs in to the vendor portal, she will only be able to see the one task that's assigned to her. Since the tasks have been set up to be completed in a specific order, hot tub clean first, departure clean second, and inspection third, the task that is assigned to Michelle's cleaning will only become available to complete when Megan's cleaning completes the hot tub clean task. So if we look at the tasks assigned to Megan, if we click on the hot tub clean and we mark it as finished, and now if we go back into the vendor portal for Michelle's cleaning, we will see that the task to clean everything is now available to be completed. When we click on this task and complete it, and then go back into Megan's cleaning and refresh, we will see that the final task in this chain of tasks is available to be completed, the inspection. If you have questions about how to set up tasks with dependencies, please watch the other videos in the series dealing with dependencies. If you have questions about how tasks with dependencies will display in the vendor portal, please contact the help desk, either by putting in a ticket or emailing us at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.